So in doing the decision-making activity, I realized how difficult it must be for managements to decide who they're going to let go, especially in situations like this where most of the employees are actually performing fairly well. However, I was able to come to the decision that I would let go of Sandra and Craig. So starting with Sandra, this was a really difficult decision because of her personal situation, being a single mother to multiple children. However, I felt that it was best to consider the needs of the company over the needs of her personal situation because she always has the possibility to find another job. The reasons that I chose her as my first person to let go was because she has the lowest skill level, even though she has been with the company for an extended period of time. And there are plenty of employees who have been with the company for a shorter amount of time that also have higher skill levels. And then she also has one of the higher pay rates. So letting her go would put more money back into the company and potentially give raises to those who have been there for a short amount of time but also have a higher skill level. And then lastly, I would be afraid that if we let someone else go and their work was added to her workload, her performance may drop even lower. The reason that I chose to let go of Craig was because he had an average skill level, although he had been with the company for the longest amount of time. And there were multiple other employees who were at the same or a higher skill level that had been with the company for shorter amounts of time. So his lack of performance isn't really justifiable there. He's also the highest paid employee, so letting him go would put more money back into the company and again also give possible raises to others. And he is also not supporting anyone but himself. So the ethical part of that decision was just a little bit easier to make.